Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Jetstar Airways plane tickets in 2024. Whether your plans have changed by any chance or you just need to cancel your flights. Understanding how to get a refund from Jetstar Airways is essential. So in this tutorial example, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for Jetstar Airways plane tickets. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm going to use Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically, of course, like before requesting a refund, it's important to understand the Jetstar Airways refund policy. Jetstar offers some different refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules, depending on the fare that you have and the rules of it. Fully refundable fares, as an example, can be refunded to the original form of payment, while non refundable fares might only be eligible for travel credit or, as an example, some vouchers for future use. Of course, if you book your flight and within 24 hours, like cancel it, it does not matter if your fare is refundable or not. You'll be able to get the full amount to your original form of payment without any problems. If you, of course, cancel it within 24 hours of your booking date, keep that in mind. So the first thing that we'll need to do, simply go to the URL section, go to Jet like Star, of course, Airways. First of all, I'll just go here and type like refund like policy. Open that on side, and I'll basically just go in here, click on that. Access denied in both. So of course, I'll just go here and use a VPN as an example. So I'll just go back in here and go back, and of course, I'll just use here a VPN just in case. I'll refresh the page one more time. Go here and do this, this, and this, and should be good to go. Yeah. So let's first of all, let's say that you know your tickets is refundable and you don't need to go through the policy and etc. You know that you're eligible for a refund. Of course, if you don't know, you'll have to wait until the later in this video, and of course, I'll show you how basically to see if you're eligible or not, or I'll just show you the article. Of course, you can read this by your own. But let's start by showing you how to get a refund. So first of all, there's two cases. First of all, if you book a flight and you have an account, you logged in into your account, or you just created your account. In that case, all you need to do is just go and click on sign in at the top right corner. Go and click on that. Once you click on it, you'll need to log in into your account. Basically, once you logged in into your account, all you need to do, you'll find your profile at the top right corner. You'll find the same page with your profile at the top right corner. Click on it, and you can click on my trips, my bookings, your bookings, etc. Just click on it, and you'll find the flight that you book right there. Click on it, and you'll be able to start the cancellation process. After it's done, you'll be able to request a refund. And if your ticket is fully refundable, as I said before, you'll get a refund between like 7 to 10 business days to the original form of payment. Of course, that's as I said, if you already have an account. If you don't have an account and you simply just bought your tickets as a guest, you have two options to cancel it and get a refund or request a refund. The first option is to go to your email provider, the email basically that you enter while you're buying your tickets, because it's very necessary. And let's pretend this is the email of the tickets. So as you can see, you can simply just click on it. You'll find your ticket here. If you scroll down, you'll find, if you want to cancel this ticket, you'll find the blue link. Click on it and you'll be able to cancel it. Once you click on it, they'll take you to your exact trip. And you can simply start the cancellation process, then request a refund. But let's say, example, you didn't find it, or you just don't want to do that. There's the other option. Simply go here to the home screen of Jetstar. Go and click on Manage Bookings in here, even if you're not logged in. As an example, once you do so, you'll be taken here. All you need to do, enter two things: booking references or reference. What is that example? They'll show you, I guess, here. Of course, it's just like, yeah, it will be something like that. You'll find it on your ticket. Like, just go and you'll find it like booking reference, and you'll find that, something like that, not this specifically. And here, of course, the email address or username. whatever you want. Then click on manage booking. Once you click on it, you'll find your trip or your booking there. Click on cancel that trip. Once the process is finished, you can simply request your refund. But as I said, that if you're 100% sure your fare is refundable or you are eligible for a refund. And you'll get, of course, your refund from 7 to 10 business days to your original form of payment. But as I said, if you book and you want to cancel within 24 hours, you don't need to check if you are eligible or not. You'll be fully refunded within 7 to 10 days, business days. So you don't have to worry about that if you cancel within 24 hours. Keep that in mind. So for the privacy policy, as an example, you'll need to go and check this article. So you have some tables here to check, of course, for delays and cancellations example. So maybe you got a delay more than 3 hours. Oh, this is 3 days, like more than 3 hours example. So some fares will get, some fares will not example. So example, and this is for delays and cancellation. This is depending on the fare. So for commercial overbooking, no, this is for commercial overbooking. This is for delays and cancellation. So for cancellations example, this table is going to be all good for you. So you can pause the video example and read this all. I'm not going through it. So because it depends on you. As example, if you're away or if you're at the airports, if it's overnight, if depending on the time, what you'll get refund for etc. As you can see in here, for overbooking example, you can also get a refund for that if you want to. So it's actually up to you. For refund for delays example, if we make a significant change to your schedule time for a reason within our control, you'll get, of course, a refund. As example, customers are entitled for a refund in the following situations. A significant change means a change of 3 hours or more to your scheduled departure time. And if we change your scheduled departure time by less than 3 hours for a reason within our control, but you are unable to use the booking for its intended purposes or purpose, and we are unable to book you an alternative flight that is acceptable to you. And if we are unable to carry you due to the commercial overbooking and you have confirmed our reservation. Simple as that. So that's how you know if you are eligible or not. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.